I got 2 hours of sleep last night. 2 hours. Yeah, let's get this bread. I am not parking under those trees anymore. Not happening. Look how pretty it is sitting over there. Those birds. No, I can't do it anymore. Look who it is. Showing up at work. Hi. 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 How's it going? No, hey, whoa, you cannot get out. You cannot jump out. You're a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy, huh? Hey.
You know, with something like this, these are your studs right there. So you're gonna have to remove the entire strip from the vehicle.
Okay.
So it's not something that, you know, I mean, you can do it in the driveway, but it's preferably on a lift.
Is it, I mean, is it still a fairly simple job though?
Well, it's fairly simple. What you do is remove the whole strut from there. And then, how is it lowered in the front? Or is it leveled in the back? Or it's leveled in the back? Okay, so this will bring up the front probably about 2.5 inches.
I don't know how much of that conversation you guys could hear in the parking lot, but yes, we do have a leveling kit and a bunch of other awesome stuff that I will be telling all of you about today. But first, it's burrito time.
What's being talking about the chips? The chips are fire. They're fresh.
Oh man.
Gotta get that footage, bro.
Wash it. Looks like you're peeing on it. with the turquoise insides. Turquoise guts. Looks good. Let me ask you guys a question, and I'm sure, you know, y'all probably don't get this question often, but do you have the same problems that I have with your truck, you know, touching roofs and stuff? Yeah, that yeah. I bet your truck doesn't do that, does it? Yeah, lifted truck problems. So here's the deal. Obviously, you guys can tell by the thumbnail, we've got huge stuff planned for the Tahoe, and I've kind of beaten around the bush for a long time about what we wanted to do with the Tahoe. And to be honest, a lot of stuff that's going on right now is just, we're gonna have to put that kind of stuff on hold. One of the biggest things is we can't lift the Tahoe how we want to because of our driveway. We can't fit any more vehicles in the driveway, and we definitely can't fit them in the garage. So we're kind of stuck at the moment because we can't lift it how we want to. So I think we've come up with a different solution. Now, this isn't me saying this is what we're gonna do and this stuff's all gonna happen a couple months from now. No, we've ordered half of this stuff already, and starting this weekend, we will be filming videos starting to work on this stuff to get it done. She doesn't really want me to just get on YouTube and just tell you guys, but what's the fun in that? So some of the stuff that we have planned, obviously I'm not gonna tell you guys exactly what colors and stuff, but you guys can tell in the video, obviously we got a leveling kit. It's a 2.5-inch leveling kit for the Tahoe. That's going on the front of the Tahoe. We got a wire in the fog lights. We do have double row wheel lights for her Tahoe that we've had actually for a long time. We've just never gotten around to put them on, so that's gonna be really cool. We are gonna paint the wheels. Now, and I'll get into that later on. We are painting the wheels, yes. And then after the wheels, we have the biggest piece of them all. And again, like I said, later on down the road, the truck will be on a 9-inch lift. We want 24s, all this, you know, all the 375s, yada, all that stuff, you know. So, but you know, as for a temporary, just having some fun with the Tahoe, we ordered a wrap for it. And the color, I'm not gonna tell you guys the color, but the color is, it's different. I mean, that's all I'm gonna say is it's definitely different. And if it turns out how we want it to, it's going to be absolutely insane. That's all that I'm gonna tell you guys about that. You know, obviously with leveling kit, we're gonna paint the wheels. We've got a couple little small things to wrap, you know, some lights to change and stuff like that. And it's getting wrapped. It's actually getting wrapped. The Tahoe is getting a full color change wrap, and the color is, it's crazy. Like, it is crazy. If it turns, like I said, if it turns out how we want it to, it's going to be, I can't even express, because I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm a little worried. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. If it turns out good, it's gonna be the craziest thing in the world. And if it doesn't, then we just rip it off because it wasn't that expensive. So I mean, we kind of just have to, you know, see how it goes.
Ooh, I'm telling you, y'all don't eat like we eat. Oh, what do we got here? What is this? We got, I go to the dessert first. So we got cookies and chocolate, and looks like a chocolate chip muffin, some ketchup, and it was turkey burger, cheese, bacon, feta cheese, toasted buttery buns, egg, and some milk, and a little candle over there with the scent. Oh my goodness.
You're lucky there's milk in that glass.
Why?
I would never pour milk in a glass. I don't like milk.
Milk is good. And the Christmas tree. Still got the Christmas tree vibes going on. Eating good. Good.
So most of you guys probably know my front two wheel lights, I cut those off of the truck, and they're in the bed of the truck right now. And I've actually been riding around with just the back ones on for a couple of days at night, just because I think it's kind of funny. I cannot see right now at all. 5% windshield tint. Never a good idea, but real quick, I want to give you guys, so we talked about the Tahoe today, and I'll give you guys a little sneak peek to what I have planned for the truck as well. The truck, once I can, kind of get done with this Tahoe stuff and we get back to the truck in a month or two, or whenever we get around to it, colder intake tune, I really want to try, and there's a company I'm going to try and work with. We've been emailing back and forth a little bit, potentially to do some long tube headers, and then I want to do a full true dual 3-inch exhaust from the headers back, no cats, with maybe like some kind of flow master on the back or something like that. So I really want to start doing some performance stuff to the truck, and then obviously once you get all that stuff done, the next step is to do the full cam kit after that. So I mean, we've got some awesome stuff planned for both of these trucks. I want to introduce a new build to the channel before we get to really lifting the Tahoe and redoing this truck, just so we can have another vehicle to drive. And I'll have, by then, I'll have places where I can store this truck or the lifted Tahoe in the meantime when we're switching back and forth and stuff. So we've got huge stuff planned, but for now, it's all about the Tahoe. We're jumping into the Tahoe build this weekend. We're gonna start painting the wheels, doing the leveling kit. We're gonna start re-wrapping stuff, wrapping the whole truck. Again, I'm not telling you guys what color. You guys can guess if you want, but I'm just not gonna tell you. Really, I'm in the middle of nowhere right now, and there's people honking behind me to drive. People, man, I hate people. Damn, it's already 10:45. I need to go in. I still gotta go in and edit this video. Oh, I did forget. She ordered the Demon Eyes for her truck, so she had the. I think she already had Demon Eye. We had to get another. It's a long story. So all kinds of great stuff coming for the Tahoe. We'll pick back up on the truck again after that, but you guys need to stay tuned for some great content. Like I said, I haven't been sleeping well. I've just been up late all the time and living off 5-hour energy, which is not good. I need to work on that. Y'all stay focused. Quarantine's almost over. I think most stuff is starting to really get back normal. Just stay positive. Make every day the best day that you can. Make sure you guys get this bread. Wake up and get this bread. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. So I'm gonna run inside and get this damn video finished. Daily vlog number 42. 42. That's crazy. We're almost at 50. So stick with me, guys. We're gonna get to 50. We got some awesome stuff on the way. I will see you guys later. As always, let's get this bread.
Get this bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.